Hello. What should I get? Oxtail today? Okay. Yeah. What should we get? What should I get?
You should get, I don't know, what do you like burgers, like jerk chicken?
No, what's the special today?
Everything is good every day. So right now we have oxtail, we have some nice jerk chicken, we have nice Goody, we have macaroni and cheese.
Oh wow, okay, here we go. Okay, sign me up for some mac and cheese and some jerk chicken.
We have rasta pasta over here.
And no rasta pasta, but yeah. Collard greens, yum. Okay. And what's that one? What's that one there? That's oxtail? How's that look? Ooh, that looks good. Okay, sign me up instead for, let's do, everything looks good. Curry chicken, everything looks good. What's that? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's do oxtail with plantains and some mac and cheese. I'll probably get some rice, right? Okay, maybe we'll do some, yeah, a little rice. Let's do it. Thank you. Yeah, that's fine. That looks amazing. All right, we're Goodies. They gave me a piece of fried chicken because it came right out of the fryer, so let's try that. Oh my. That's good eating. Come to Goodies. Wow. Look at this fried chicken. Perfectly crispy. Tender meat. Far Rockaway. Goodies is a good spot. Abandoned road alert. Abandoned road alert. Look at this area. Look at where this place is. And we got the beach right here. Okay, unofficial Goodies taste test. Look at that. Oxtail. Let's try some of that. Fall off the bone, of course. What's that like? That is so good. And cheese. Wow. All right, we're in Far Rockaway looking for something to eat. We got the good signs. We got a Baptist church. Always good food by a Baptist church. We got tow trucks and auto bodies. Always good food near tow trucks and auto bodies. So we're gonna check this place out. Goodies. It's 100 degrees out here. Welcome to RVing by the sea, Auvergne by the sea. What a spot to have a jerk chicken spot. Well, if you've ever wondered what a beach looks like in New York, don't get hit by a bike. Look at that, you got the boardwalk, you got the showers, you got a couple surfers out there, you got Goodies cooking up some Caribbean eats. Look at that, in the distance, you have surfers. New York surfers. Look at this guy. Who knew New York City? Look at this old building. It says The Wave. Rockaway's newspaper since 1893. Rockaway with his own local newspaper. Good barbershop over there. Wow. It's a lot of stuff.